In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color a page or tab name in Google Sheets on desktop. If you're looking to organize your Google Sheets better or simply want to make certain tabs stand out with a splash of color, this guide will walk you through the process quickly and effectively. The beauty of altering tab colors lies in its simplicity yet noticeable impact on visual organization, making it an invaluable tool for those managing multiple pages or datasets within a single spreadsheet. First, let's open up your Google Sheet and direct your attention to the bottom of the sheet. Here, you'll see a row of tab names, each representing a different page within your document. These tabs hold all the valuable information that your spreadsheet encompasses, so having the ability to customize them can really help in distinguishing one from another based on content or importance. The next thing you want to do is find the specific tab that you feel needs a bit of color. Once you've decided which one to work with, simply right-click the tab name. This action opens a contextual menu that provides you a variety of choices related to that tab. Now, from the menu that appears, you'll notice an option labeled Change Color. This is where the magic happens. Click Change Color, and you'll be presented with a palette of different colors to choose from. The selection ranges widely, giving you ample choices to match your specific needs or preferences, whether you're looking for something soft like a pastel to ease the eyes, or a bright, bold hue to make a specific tab stand out prominently. Once you've scanned through the colors and picked the perfect one, click on it to apply it to the tab. Instantly, you'll see the background of your tab name change to the selected color. It's a straightforward and gratifying transformation that makes your tab visually pop and easily distinguishable from others. And there you have it. In just a few easy-to-follow steps, you've transformed the appearance of your Google Sheets tabs, allowing for enhanced organization and quick recognition. This seemingly minor change can dramatically improve how you navigate large and complex spreadsheets, making your data management more intuitive and visually appealing. Thank you for joining me for this tutorial on how to add color to your tab names in Google Sheets on desktop. I hope you'll find this feature useful as you continue to manage and organize your spreadsheets efficiently. Be sure to like and subscribe for more guides and tips to make your workflow smoother and more enjoyable.